What's up, everyone? Welcome to Consumer's Choice Top 5. Today, we're diving into 5 top free AI tools so powerful, it feels like you shouldn't be using them. We're talking about AI that generates art, writes your emails, and even codes for you, all for free. Especially stick around for number 1. It gives you access to the most premium AI on the planet. No paywall. If you're new here, hit subscribe and ring the bell for more top 5 tech lists. Smash that like button if you're ready to see what these tools can do. Let's not waste any more time. Let's jump right in. Number 5 on our list is Runway Gen 2. It's a powerful tool that generates video directly from text prompts. Simply type a prompt like a drone shot soaring over a neon city, and almost instantly it creates a short video clip for you. The results aren't always perfect, of course, but every now and then it produces pure magic. Filmmakers can use it to prototype shots quickly, and presenters can create unique visual assets, while social media creators can get endless B-roll footage. This used to be Hollywood-level tech, but now it's freely accessible for anyone. The free credits allow you to experiment freely and get a glimpse into the future of content creation. The quality of the outputs are improving with every update, so learning how to prompt effectively now gives you a head start. Coming in at number 4, we have ElevenLabs, a platform that's rapidly changing the landscape of audio creation. It's an AI voice generator that produces results so realistic, they're almost unsettling. You might find yourself doing a double take, wondering if you're listening to a real person. Forget those old, robotic, monotone voices of the past. This tool is capable of creating voices with genuine emotion, subtle nuances, and even the occasional breath. It's a whole new level of realism. All you have to do is type your text into the interface, carefully pick a voice from their extensive library, and in moments, you'll get a stunningly lifelike reading that's hard to distinguish from a professional voice actor. The quality is truly remarkable. But here's where things get really interesting, even a little wild. You have the option to clone your own voice, creating a digital version of yourself, or even clone someone else's voice, provided you have their explicit permission, of course. Once you have a voice cloned, you can make it say virtually anything you want. Imagine the possibilities. This is an absolute game changer for content creators across all platforms. Need instant voiceovers for your videos? Want to produce audiobooks without hiring a narrator? Or perhaps you're looking to streamline your dubbing process for international audiences? The applications are endless. The best part is, they offer a free tier that gives you more than enough resources to experiment and truly realize just how incredibly advanced this technology has become. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. The potential for misuse is significant, and the consequences can be quite serious. It's absolutely crucial to always use this technology ethically, and to never, under any circumstances, impersonate someone without their explicit consent and permission. The level of realism that ElevenLabs achieves is truly uncanny. Your brain is almost tricked into believing that you're listening to a real, live person. What once required a professional recording studio, expensive equipment, and a skilled voice actor, now simply takes a computer browser and just a few clicks of your mouse. ElevenLabs is fundamentally revolutionizing the world of audio creation and making it accessible to everyone. Whether you're using it to enhance your own content, improve accessibility for others, or simply explore new creative projects, the possibilities are vast. It's not just a productivity hack, it's a creative leap forward, empowering you to bring your audio visions to life with unprecedented ease. Just remember to wield this power responsibly and use it wisely. The future of voice technology is undeniably here, and it's more impressive than ever before. Alright, let's dive into another incredible AI art tool. Number 3 on our list is Blue Willow, the free, unlimited AI art generator. Yes, you heard that right. Unlimited. You can generate as much art as your heart desires without spending a dime. Competing with giants like Midjourney and DALL-E, Blue Willow is making waves in the AI art scene. It's quickly becoming a favorite among artists and hobbyists alike. Blue Willow gives you surprisingly high-quality images for free. The results are often comparable to paid services, which is truly remarkable. The barrier to entry is incredibly low. All you need is a Discord account. Join their server, type your prompt, describing what you want to see, and get 4 unique images in a minute. The speed and variety are truly impressive. Find an image you like, upscale your favorite, bringing out even more detail, create variations, exploring different styles and perspectives, and iterate with the AI until you achieve your vision. It's perfect for creating digital illustrations, designing logos for your brand, crafting unique character designs, and more. the possibilities are endless. The value is insane, especially when you consider the cost of alternative tools and resources. What other platforms and services charge a premium for? Blue Willow offers completely for nothing. It's a game changer. Forget the need for years of formal art training or investing in expensive software suites. Blue Willow puts powerful creative tools at your fingertips without the hefty price tag. The quality often rivals paid tools, delivering professional-grade results. And the technology behind Blue Willow is constantly improving, with regular updates and enhancements. Bloggers looking for eye-catching visuals, small business owners needing marketing materials, D&D masters crafting immersive worlds. Virtually anyone can create pro-level art in minutes, regardless of their artistic background. The active and supportive Discord community is a fantastic bonus. See others' incredible creations, learn from their effective prompts, gaining insights into how to get the best results, and get inspired by the collective creativity of the community. It's a collaborative, supportive environment, a true open-source art school where everyone learns and grows together. So if you have even the slightest creative spark, I highly recommend giving Blue Willow a try. Want to visualize your dream car, or perhaps bring a fantasy hero to life? Maybe you want to capture an abstract emotion in a visual form. Whatever you can imagine, Blue Willow can help you create it. This is creativity on demand, democratized and made accessible for everyone, regardless of skill level or financial resources. In many ways, it's a cheat code for art, allowing you to bypass traditional barriers and unlock your creative potential. So go ahead, unleash your imagination, and create something truly amazing with Blue Willow. Let's dive into another incredible free AI tool. Number 2 on our list is ChatGPT by OpenAI. This is the AI that, in many ways, started the current AI boom. It captured the world's attention and sparked a global conversation about the potential and implications of artificial intelligence. And the free version is still remarkably one of the most powerful productivity tools you can get your hands on, absolutely free of charge. It's accessible to anyone with an internet connection. It's so much more than just a chatbot. It's a skilled writer, a competent coder, capable of generating functional code snippets in multiple languages. It's a brainstorming partner, ready to explore ideas, a diligent researcher, able to sift through information and summarize key findings. And it's a patient tutor, explaining complex concepts in a way that's easy to understand. For students, it's like having a 24/7 homework helper, available to assist with assignments and answer questions at any time. For creators, it unlocks endless possibilities for idea generation, helping to overcome creative blocks and inspire new projects. And for professionals, it provides instant summaries of lengthy documents and can even assist with coding tasks, streamlining workflows and boosting efficiency. It's a cheat code for life, a way to unlock hidden levels of productivity and efficiency in almost any area. Think of it like a super smart intern who never sleeps, always ready to assist with tasks and provide information. The free GPT 3.5 model, while not the most advanced, still capably handles almost any task you throw at it, from writing emails to generating creative content. To get the best results, learn to give it specific roles and provide clear context for your requests. This is where prompt engineering comes in. Mastering prompt engineering is quickly becoming a key skill in the age of AI. The better you are at crafting prompts, the more effectively you can leverage the power of these tools. It saves hours of work, helping you accomplish tasks in minutes that would have previously taken hours. It removes creative blocks, providing inspiration and fresh perspectives. And it accelerates your thinking, helping you process information more quickly and make better decisions. While it's an incredibly powerful tool, always fact-check important information, especially when using it for research or critical decision-making. But as a digital assistant, capable of handling a wide range of tasks, it's unparalleled in its accessibility and versatility. OpenAI's free offering is a true game changer, transforming the way we approach work, learning, and creativity. It's democratizing access to powerful AI tools. If you're not using it, you're missing out on a significant opportunity to enhance your productivity and unlock your potential. It's the Swiss Army knife of AI, a versatile tool that can be used for a wide variety of tasks and applications. Add it to your digital toolkit. The future of productivity is here, and it's powered by AI. Don't get left behind in this technological revolution. Embrace the power of AI and start exploring the possibilities today. Number 1 is Microsoft's Bing AI, now called Copilot. It gives you free access to GPT-4, the same model powering paid ChatGPT Plus. Integrated into Bing Edge and mobile apps, it's the best deal in AI. You get cutting-edge language power plus live internet access for real-time answers and source citations. It's an unbeatable research tool. Plus, it includes DALL-E 3 image generation, another premium feature free. Plan trips, write reports, generate custom images, all in one chat. Switch between creative, precise, and balanced modes for any task. The Edge sidebar lets you summarize, explain, or draft replies right next to your work. There are some chat limits, but they're generous and reset often. Microsoft is using this to win back the search market, and you get the benefits. If you try one tool, make it this one. It's the ultimate AI suite: language, search, and images, all free. The pinnacle of accessible AI. Don't miss out. There you have it. 5 free AI tools so powerful it almost feels wrong. From video and voice generation to world-class art and premium AI assistance, the revolution is here. The barrier to entry is gone. Anyone can tap into this power for free. Which tool blew your mind? Let us know in the comments. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to know. Subscribe and ring the bell for more Top 5 Tech. Thanks for watching. Stay creative, stay informed. See you in the next video.